Hi guys, we will explain to you how to connect access control system and how to do the connection. All the connection we will show you how. So you can see here, this is open with the card and also you can open with the finger. So if you click, put your finger, the lock will be open. So here inside I will show you, you can come here. Here see we install the main controller here. So this one working with the fingerprint also and with the card also you can put your code number. So let's go how we will explain to you how to make the connections for this one. So in the diagram you can come here, see this device connection is like this is jack. We cut because we don't need to extra wire. We need to extend the wire, so we use a, so this one wire is ground, this one 12 volt, and this is ground. These two wire for the communication. So when you press your finger, here signal go to the main controller and it will open your lock. So we will explain this wire will where will connect to the that machine. See, 12 volt, these two wire, these three wire, these three wire, communication wire and plus ground wire. This will go to the jack of the main access point. You need to connect there. There have wires. You need to connect with that one. Okay, that's simple. And this 12 volt and ground, this will be connected with another jack with the access control. See, 12 volt plus and ground. These two will be connected there. Everything is clear. So we will go now there. Here is clear. So we will connect. We will show you how to connect. See, here how to connect the lock with this machine. Okay, you come forward. Okay, there's one wire common. Okay, you need to connect with the, this is main adapter type. Common wire you need, you can see here in this diagram. This is common. Okay, common wire you need to connect with this adapter plus. May see this is common wire. You can see this is common wire, red. That is common, and this is NC. NC wire coming from here. See here also you can see NC1. So NC, this common wire connect with the plus, then it will make circle connecting with this one and this one going to the block, and it will be connected with the V plus. Okay, then from here you need to take one neutral wire minus V. Okay, from the adapter, main adapter, it will go to the block. So when you press your finger here, see it is open. Oh, it's working. See, if you don't know, then it's very difficult. That side have too many wires. If you understand, so you can easily connect this system. And this is very easy. Only you have to keep in mind some points. This outdoor unit will be connected with this one, and this power also here. See, this power will be connected to the device, to the receiver, main access point. This 12 volt you need to connect here, and this communication wire coming from the outdoor access control. These four wires, RJ45, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will go to your connect with your system. So you can easily manage all the data from your computer. So we bring one wire, this wire we take to the main system. Here I have four wires, 1 2 3 4. We cut this jack because our trunking is very small. We can cut, there's jack, Ethernet jack coming. We can cut this one because it was not coming in the trunking. So we cut this one and directly connect with this. See, you can see here this jack we connect. So I explain to you this first and second. White orange first, orange is second, and then white green is third, and 5 6 number is green. This will go to the your computer. So guys, here we explain. If you have any question, anything, any have problem, you can contact with us, comment us, and we will explain to you. We will show our number there in the screen. You can see our number. So anytime you can connect with us on the WhatsApp. If you have any problem, no hesitation, just contact with us. We will explain to you how to connect. Thank you very much.